Good morning, children. How are you all? Welcome to English class. Okay, in previous class we have completed poem, meanings also, and hard words also we have learned. Isn't it? Yes. Okay, today we are going with the textual exercise, children. Question time. Okay, we will have some questions based on the poem, whatever we learnt in the previous class. Okay, shall we do, children? Okay, let's start. How old is the tree now? Tick the correct answer. How old the tree is now? Tell me here it's telling. See where it's telling I am 20. See now my age is 23. That means the age of tree is 23. Tick in the first box. Like this. Tick in the first box. Now how did the tiny seed become a tree? How did the tiny seed become a tree? See children here, a tiny seed became a tree with the help of, okay, after mother nature cared for all the tree needs. Okay, like that we have to write the answer right here. THE, the tiny, TINY, tiny seed, SEED, seed became, BECAME, became a tree after mother. Who is mother for tree? Nature. NATURE, nature cared, CARED, cared. Okay, CARED, cared. Mother nature cared for it by providing, PROVIDING, providing nutrition. Okay, providing nutrition, NUTRITION, nutrition through THROUGH, through soil and water. Okay, soil and water through rain. Okay, nutrition from soil and water from rain. Okay, children, write first question like this. Okay, first and second questions completed now, children. Now third question. How does the tree help children? Okay, how does the tree help children? See here, tree is giving company for the children to play there. Okay, yes, the tree gave, here write everyone, the, 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 TREE, tree gave, GEVE, gave company, COMPANY, company. Okay, to whom the tree is giving company? Children. To the children when they, THEY, they played. Okay, the tree gave company to the children when they played. And next question, see, how does the tree help animals? Okay, how does the tree help the animals? See, I shelter the resting herds. Herds means animals here. It's gave the shelter for the animals. Okay, and it's giving chance to the birds to build their nests in the branches of the tree also. Isn't it? And some fruits of, that means figs. Okay, it's a type of fruit comes from the tree also. The animals can eat, like that it helped the animals. See, the tree helped the animals by letting letting birds birds build 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 nests nests on it. Where on it means on the tree. Worms eat its figs. Okay, figs means fruits. And herds, herds rest under its shade. Okay, under the tree shade will come now. In its shade the animals will take rest. Okay, this is the fourth question, children. Next, see, fifth question. The tree helps refill a thirsty earth. How? Okay, that means the last here it's telling, see, to refill a thirsty earth beneath. Okay, that means it's giving refilling the thirsty earth, isn't it? How it's did? See, its roots trap water and send it back into the earth. It has traps at the end of all its roots. Okay, actually what happening there? Its roots will trap the water. It will take the water and it will give it back again into the earth only. That's why it's telling refill. That means filling again, refilling a thirsty earth. That means here the option is first one. Its roots trap water and send it back into the earth. That means first one is correct. Tick here, children. Okay, and next, why don't people let me live? How do people not allow trees to live? Tell me, why they are not letting the trees to live, children? Because people used to cut the trees to build houses, furniture, like that they are doing. And the people are cutting off these trees for their selfishness. Okay, for their needs they are cutting off the trees. Isn't it right here, that thing? Okay, people do not let the tree live as they cut it for their own selfish. Okay, they are so selfish. People, we are selfish because we are cutting off these trees for our personal needs, for selfish needs. And people cut trees to build build houses and furniture. furniture, furniture. Okay, to build houses and trees like that. For that uses only the people are not letting the tree to live, even though the tree is doing good for us and it's sacrificing all these things for us and doing more useful things for us also, but we are not letting the tree to live, isn't it? Like this you have to complete this, children. This question time activity exercise 4.2 you have to complete it. See how I am writing with cursive handwriting and space between two words, and write neatly like this without any mistakes and send it to me in WhatsApp. Okay children, this is about today's English class. Complete this textbook and send it to me. Thank you. Have a nice day.